go ahead and tell me what happened here.
I was coming out of the parking lot right there of International Motors.
Okay.
And I was making a left-hand turn, coming down there. And I didn't see the car, and I pulled out in front of her.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Terry Dowdy. I work for the Roanoke Police Department. I'm their traffic safety specialist. I also teach crash investigation with Sergeant Foster. We basically take them through a crash investigation from start to finish. We're posing as mock crash, so to speak.
Can I also get your registration and then your proof of insurance?
Absolutely, officer.
She was coming out of the interstate parking lot over here to the left. I was driving eastbound on Barnes. And as I'm driving eastbound, she comes out of the parking lot, and it's an angle crash, basically front end to front end.
The damage that vehicle 2 showed that it hit the bumper, and it lined up with the story of vehicle 1 turning left onto that street.
Here, this is a closed course, so to speak, so they are able to mess up and make mistakes here, and then we can correct them, guide them through the right way of doing things.
You don't need to worry about the title number, but you need to worry about the VIN, obviously. You need to worry about the license plates right there, the expiration, which is your stickers on the vehicle, and then you've got your make, model, your body type, which is going to be your SUV, and then your year and your color.
We try to get them thinking in terms of what do I need to get, what do I need to do when I first get up here, such as asking for rescue, getting traffic blocked, or getting cars moved out of the road. That's our point, is to try to get them, it's a building foundation into other things.
So I ended up charging vehicle 1 with a failure to yield at a T intersection.
Okay, so is that a public road or a private road?
Private.
So we've established that that's a private road.
So you can't have a T intersection.
So that's not a T intersection. That charge may get thrown out in court.
Yes, ma'am.
Or it may get amended. The judge might say, hey, you know what, you're new, it's all right, we'll amend it to the proper one.